I am Marco Rotondo, CEO of BG Log.
My name is Luke Goodwin. I'm the CMO and work pretty closely with all of our dealers and partners that we have globally from FlexQube based in Sweden.
Okay. What is eQart and what are its applications?
Yeah, that's a really good question. So the eQart is a modular and easy to implement robot, and it's designed to handle any type of transportation in a factory autonomously. So what actually separates the eQart from other automation and robotic solutions is actually the ability to implement it very quickly without much technical resources being needed at all. So what we tried to set out to do with the eQart when our product team went around looking at designing the eQart was looking at how we can ensure that our customers are able to take a simple form of automation or an easy to use form of automation and implement it in their facility without having to get consultants or to get technicians to come in and do the installation of the eQart themselves. So having a robotic system that you can adapt without the need to bring in these technical experts, this is a real key enabler for any organization's first steps into automation. So some of the examples or the key applications that we can use that are ideal for the eQart, it would be having something that is a custom size or adding a custom top structure and having, say, the top structure used at kitting operations or for odd-shaped materials. So the eQart can come in a large size range, and within that size range, you can sort of design an automation solution around that. So that really allows customers that do have odd-shaped materials or odd-shaped boxes or packaging, or if they really want to look at improving the ergonomics and making sure it's easy for the customers to access the materials, easy for the operators to get to the materials, they can actually custom design an automation solution around this. On top of this, it also has a ability to tow behind it. So you can take either FlexQube material handling carts or you can take your existing material handling carts, and it can actually tow 2,000 kilos behind the eQart. Then this can turn this into an automated towing solution or an automated robot that tows carts behind this. Now, on top of that, you can add 500 kilos on top of the eQart. So that actually gives you an automation solution that is moving up to 2,500 kilos via its towing capacity.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I have just, there's also the mother-daughter. Sorry, Marco, there's just the mother-daughter solution as well. So this is actually a very unique application with the eQart. And that's the idea of creating a mother-daughter system. So this means that the eQart, because it is flexible and because it is modular, it's able to carry small kitting carts or even material handling carts that the customer already has, and they can be placed inside an eQart for delivery to the assembly line.
Okay. Who is FlexQube?
Yeah. FlexQube's business idea is to try and develop and offer a flexible system with a few standardized components. Using this system can help our customers and help your customers develop a safe, ergonomic, and cost-efficient logistics or intralogistics. We also do this by allowing our customers to create unique material handling solutions with the FlexQube concept. FlexQube has the headquarters here in Sweden, where I'm sitting right now. And this is also the center for the European market. We do all the manufacturing for our carts and the eQarts from here in Sweden, in Gothenburg. Then we also have a US facility, which is based in Duncan, South Carolina. And that's where we make all of our carts and our eQarts for the North American market. And currently we offer 3 main product lines. So the first one being the FlexQube concept. That's being used to develop material handling carts and different types of material handling racking solutions as well. Then, of course, as I was talking about before, we have our eQarts, which is our automation solutions built upon our FlexQube concept. And then finally, we have the lift runner tugger train systems, which we are currently the licensed resellers for in North America. So that's only in the North American market. One factor that's very important for FlexQube is innovation is a pretty important factor for the FlexQube team. So we always believe that trying to do constant improvements of our products and processes helps us and is vital for our customers as well to help the development moving forward. And this is one of the factors that help us come up with the eQart solutions and help merge these smart modules, as we like to refer them, to our existing FlexQube concept. And we like to see all of our customers and you guys as well, of our partners and suppliers as partners. And that's why it's also important for us to make sure our products are of high quality and ensure that our customers are always happy with the service they receive.
Thank you, Luke.
Yeah.
Luke, why FlexQube has decided to create a partnership with BG Log, and what are the expected benefits in the future?
Yeah. So since the beginning of 2020 or towards the beginning of last year, we began looking for partners within markets where we didn't have much of our own presence or much of our own exposure. And we've always looked at Italy as a market that we believe would be ideal for the FlexQube concept. We actually even came to Italy and participated in Intralogistica Italia in Milano in 2018. But since then, we didn't find the right time or the right partner to sort of launch into the Italian market. I believe we began discussions with BG Log or with you guys in early 2020. And that was through one of our sales representatives in the UK, Tim Massey. He had some previous contacts with some of your team there. And we also had a few initial project discussions for a number of manufacturing companies in Italy through BG Log. And these companies were pretty consistent with the companies we were finding a lot of success in. So some of these companies were even the same companies, but just based in Italy that we have been selling our solutions to in the North American market. And having this similar customer base to our existing customers is very important. And it's also allowed for an easy transition. We also found, though, that it was pretty important for us to find a company that's focused on customer service and customer satisfaction. And we found that this was pretty evident with the BG Log team. So saying all of this, we are very hopeful for the future with BG Log in the Italian market. Once hopefully the worst of COVID is behind us and behind Italy and Europe as well, I can only see that this is going to be a successful partnership between the two of us. And I believe that BG Log will be able to establish FlexQube in our products as a material handling success in the Italian market. And I can only see that we can take strength by strength with every little project.
Luke, for me, it's very important, this partnership. And thank you very much for your availability. We are very happy to have had you as guest today. See you soon.
Thank you very much. I hope to see you guys soon once everything with Corona has calmed down.
Thank you.
Thank you.